the technology, so there is no more difference. Babae, lalaki, parehas na difference sila. So manual dexterity. What is dexterity? Huh? So this is the skills. So both men and women are capable of the same manual ability. However, when time, women work faster with their fingers.
Kabilang linaw.
Kaya mas marami sila magpani. Okay, dismiss. Aggression. Everybody, participate, reading.
Physically, the male brain includes more developed parts, responsibility, and aggression or emotion, and positive and emotion, and positive and apply the power of aggression.
What's that? Aggression. What is aggression? These are the repressed feelings. Yung mga tinatago natin na feelings. Pwede yung mga sama ng loob natin. Kaya meron tayong aggression. Butang na muna dito na camera. Butang dito.
Pre, butang daw, pre.
Butang dito.